In this video, we're going to show you how to use the spacing tool for product lane setup. First, select a slot number based on the number of facings or the type of product. Next, insert the wire divider starting from the side of the FlexRoller nearest to the cooler door handle, or either side for center store use. Place the corner of the spacing tool against the wire divider, then insert the next wire divider into the correct slot. The slots are numbered on the front and back to ensure the wire dividers are lined up straight. Continue to use the spacing tool to insert each wire divider evenly. There may be additional space left over on the door hinge side. On shelves with mixed products, you may switch to using a different slot number that corresponds with the next product type. Ensure each lane allows your products to freely roll to the front retainer. Adjust lanes if needed to improve the fronting.